This is the name of the cafe, Al Waha, Egyptian Coffee Cafe, Al Waha. Okay, here we are now at the back end of this cafe to see where they're going to be preparing a pipe for us so that you can learn and see. Hi, welcome and welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to go out in Riyadh and we're going to places that the guidebooks don't even mention. After 10 years living here in Saudi Arabia as a South African expat, I have found them. So welcome back to my channel. Let's go and explore. Come, let's go. We're on our way. So excited to go out a little bit today and take you with us. The weather is becoming very hot and dusty today, as you can see. And traffic is easy here in Riyadh. So every now and again somebody wants to come and not look, and that just makes us a little bit nervous. This area is where they fix the cars. This area is in the west of Riyadh. Beautiful homes here, big villas, high walls, as you can see. Here we are in a quaint little Egyptian coffee shop here in Riyadh that the guidebooks don't tell you about, and only the locals, the local Egyptians, come here, especially on a Friday night. And I'm going to show you the Shisha pipes that the Egyptian love. And this is what it looks like here outside. Look at the big screen. There's a big screen for sports, you know, football is very important for the guys. But we're going to go inside. It's much cooler inside with the aircon, you know. So let's go. This is the name of the cafe, Al Waha, Egyptian Coffee Cafe, Al Waha. So this is what it looks like inside. Very cozy and inviting, all in blue and grey. Very friendly staff, and I'll put the location for you down in the description box below if you want to experience the Egyptian tradition and culture. And if you're living in Riyadh on a Friday night and you're Egyptian, this is the place to come and play games and smoke your nice shisha pipe. Ah, they're dropping off some nice coffee. Orange juice for me, some water of course, and double espresso. Nice. Okay, this is what we're going to have today here in Al Waha Cafe, Egyptian coffee shop, hidden away here in Riyadh. So I've got exciting news for you. I'm going to get them to show us how they put the shisha pipes together in this cafe. And somebody's going to help us explain exactly what they do, so you can also see. You know, this is such an important tradition in the Arab world that I can't not show you how they do it. So give us a few minutes, I'll be back in a second, and you will see all how the shisha pipe is made and what it's all about. Okay, here we are now at the back end of this cafe to see where they're going to be preparing a pipe for us so that you can learn and see. Okay, so can you tell me a little bit more about... Hi,
how are you?
I'm fine, thank you. Could you tell me a little bit more about what it is that they're going to be doing here?
Yeah, it's a shisha kind of smoke, legal. No drugs, no hashish, no anything. Just smoking tobacco. They keep it in the ref to keep the flavor here.
The flavor, what is
Yeah,
the
many
flavor?
kind of flavor. You can find mint, you can find apple, you can find many different flavors. Yeah, they put it here to keep the flavor.
Okay, so they keep the tobacco inside
they
there.
keep the tobacco inside to keep the flavor.
Yeah.
Yeah, when the customer asks for one of this, they get it out.
Yes.
The taste of the flavor, it's concentrated. you can enjoy the smoking. This area, especially for shisha.
Okay, yes,
Yeah, they arrange here the cook maybe.
so here they have, what have you got here? You've got the top of the pipes, right?
Yeah,
Okay, so that's where they
it's in
can,
the head.
the head.
Yeah, the head.
Okay.
They put the tobacco here.
Yeah.
They use the cook inside.
What is that? Coal.
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 Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, they burn it and they put it over
Oh, okay, wonderful.
on the top.
On the top.
Yep.
Thank you so much. And these are like to help
Yeah, that's to
Pick up the-
to pick up the cook.
pick up the coal.
Yeah.
Okay. Oh wow. And you put water inside? You put water inside here?
You would like him to make one?
Yeah,
Can you
please.
make one? خليه يعمل واحدة. No. From the beginning. خليه يحط مية الأول. لا خليه يحط تاني.
All the colors, the flavors.
He will try to make one
Okay.
with full Yeah. He changes the water
Yeah.
after every customer. He changes the water.
Changes the water.
Yeah. To a certain level.
Show me the level. Make it full.
Yeah. He check it.
Check it.
Yeah, maybe more or less.
Yeah.
He check it.
Yes. And then.
We get the head from the ref.
Okay, so that's got the tobacco in already or not?
Yeah, the tobacco inside already.
And it's got foil on top. Oh, the tobacco is inside already.
Yeah.
Wonderful.
It's an apple.
Yes.
Apple flavor.
The apple flavor.
Yeah. They will make some holes.
Okay, they make holes with
to
tooth
get the
with the toothpick. Oh, special.
It's a special tool.
So this is where the smoke comes through,
Yes.
or the.
They put it like this, and
Yeah.
then you have this hole.
Oh, that's the
One
pipe.
time use.
One time use.
Yeah, it's the hole.
Okay.
You can remove. You can put it, select it inside.
These guys are professionals to get it out.
Yeah, it's a one-time use.
Yes.
That is the small part and the big part. The
Okay.
small part, you put it here.
Yeah, you put it inside there, right?
Yeah, this.
Or close
area.
to the water.
Yeah, near to the water. The water inside.
Yes.
And this level, all this is air.
Okay.
So you can smoke. After that, you can take the breath like this.
Yeah.
With the cook, and you enjoy.
Where's the coal? Where does the coal come?
بالبحر.
Coal goes on top, so.
Yeah. You can see one already
Okay.
outside.
Fullness as well. So you've got the special holder for the coals that's going to go on top. Okay, wonderful. That's fantastic. There is a shisha pipe all set up and done. Great.
That is the end.
That's
After
the
that,
end.
You can smoke and enjoy.
It's like a cigar, right?
Yeah. It's like a cigar, like pipe, kind of pipe.
And why do Egyptians love this tradition? Or to smoke the pipes?
No, we smoke. We prefer to smoke shisha.
This one, Shisha,
Yeah,
right?
yeah,
You prefer
yeah,
it in the
yeah.
cafes in
Yeah,
Cairo.
that is the
and
most famous in Egypt.
mostly
Shisha.
famous in that's Egypt.
Yeah.
Well, thank you, guys. Thank you very much for this today. Appreciate it. I learned a lot today, and I'm sure my subscribers will be
This
excited.
gentleman is the technician for the shisha.
Technician. So
Yeah,
you
he's
that
a
is your
special-
job.
Yeah, he's a special, and that's the manager.
Oh,
of the cafe.
Waha Cafe.
Al-Waha Cafe. Yeah,
Okay,
so
great.
yeah,
So
yeah.
when they come here, they can ask for you guys and come and enjoy Shisha. I know on Friday nights there's games as well. You play games as well.
Yeah, many games. We have a football games here shown on the screen.
Uh-huh.
Yeah, Euro Cup. You can find World Cup. Anything on the screen.
Anything.
Yeah.
Thank you guys.
You and
Appreciate
your follower are most welcome here anytime.
it. Thank you so much.
You're welcome.
Thank you. Here in Saudi Arabia, coffee and smoking the hookah pipe is very, very popular, and there are many lounges around. And I hope today bringing you to this cafe here, Egyptian cafe in the west of Riyadh, could open up your eyes to try something different and something new and understand a little bit more about it. If you've got any questions, please leave a comment in the description box below. I always check to see what you guys have to say, and I hope to see you in the next one. Don't forget to like and like if you liked what you saw, subscribe, put the notification bell all the way up so that you can be notified when I post another video. And I just want to remind you to check the description box. There are some surprises there for you to click on and maybe find some useful information. Thank you for watching. Till the next time. Bye bye.